guys, welcome back to my channel. First, I want to start off by saying happy 2018. We have made it to 2018 and that's a great thing. I'm looking forward to having a great year and I'm wishing all of you an amazing year ahead. Let's get into this video today. I'm going to be doing a review of one of my favorite Christmas presents. I like to start the year off with a giveaway. So one of the items that I kind of was loving is from one of my favorite designers, Balmain. Balmain did a collaboration with L'Oreal where they came out with a collection of gorgeous lipsticks. Picked up one of the Balmain lipsticks. I picked up the color Domination to share with you guys. This is kind of the awesome red lip from the collection. I'll definitely put in a picture if I can, but I thought this was a great, almost like neutral, perfect color for anyone. So yeah, I picked up one of the lipsticks, and just to pair something with it, I also got this SmashBox eyeshadow, and it's the Photo Op eyeshadow. It's a single shadow, and it's a beautiful like brown color, and I love using brown eyeshadows as my base color, or even I use a brown shadow almost every day, either in my crease or as my base color. So I feel like a brown eye with a red lip is like a classic combo. So if you're interested in winning this giveaway, check out the details below. Now let's get into today's video. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I kind of post there more regularly. So definitely check out my Instagram info below. But if you follow me on Instagram, you already know one of my Christmas gifts were a pair of Yeezys. Yes, I got a pair of Yeezy Boost 350s for my birthday, for Christmas. And I was very excited to receive this pair. If you've been following me for a bit, you know that 2017 was kind of my year of designer shoes. 2017 was like the year where I really kind of dove into the designer shoe world. I've been a fan of the Yeezys for a little bit. Honestly, the first pair I really wanted came out last, I think it was spring. And it were the all black. They were all black, I think, with red writing. I'll put them in here. But I wanted those, and I tried, and I took a L and could not get them. The resale on those are ridiculous, and I just couldn't get them. Those were the first pair that I was interested in purchasing or interested in owning until these were coming out. And I said, oh yeah, these are for me. So I was very happy when I received them on Christmas. These actually, what am I even talking about? Let me tell you which ones I'm talking about. So here's my box, and here are my shoes. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Beluga that launched in November 2017. They came out, I think, November 22nd. And here they are. Unless you're researching these shoes on like how to purchase them, there aren't really, I feel like, any kind of open, honest reviews about these sneakers. I feel like the reviews about these sneakers are so serious, and they're coming from someone who is really into sneakers and not just the fashion piece of it. So that's where I feel like my take on it is a little different. I am not a person who's obsessed with sneakers. I don't know everything about Yeezys and sneakers and what's trends, and I'm just talking from a fashion perspective. I'm going to discuss pricing, the shoe, how it's made, the quality, and kind of my take on these shoes from a fashion standpoint. The thing I loved about this is because they are gray and black. They do pop a little bit because of the kind of print on the shoe, the design on the shoe, but it's definitely more muted than some of the other Yeezy releases. And I love the fact that it has the black in it, which I wear a lot of black, so pairing gray and black sneakers will always be easy for me. So this is one reason why I was drawn to this particular design. Also, I do feel like it's a little toned down because of the bottom of the shoe, and again, the colors being gray and black. I really love like the look of these shoes. I do think that the colorway that I have is very easy to style. How do I feel about this sneaker? So first of all, I want to say I feel like the pricing for the shoe is awesome. So these retail for $220 retail. That's if you purchase them retail. Now resale, they can go up quite a bit. Those all black ones that I mentioned previously, resale, those are like sometimes up to $2,000, which is 10 times the original retail price. These, again, $220, but the resale on these are much lower, and that is because these shoes were, from the research I've done, these shoes were more produced, they were more available, and so a lot of people were able to get their hands on this particular colorway, which then made the resale not as high. If you're interested in getting a pair of Yeezys, this is a good pair to consider as far as resale, because the resale price is not outrageous. The resale price is pretty close to what the retail price is. So yeah, if you're interested in a pair of Yeezy, these are definitely ones to consider. These sneakers are super high quality. They are made, I would say, they are made with so much detail, attention to detail, so much I think goes into this sneaker. It's like no sloppy stitching, no like glue on the shoe. Obviously and I'm saying for the price, because I think $220 is not an outrageous price point for designer shoes. And this is a pair of shoes that not only are very functional because they're sneakers, but the fashion is up to par. Like, these are super fashionable. They make a statement. And so I think the pricing, $220 is extremely reasonable for what you're getting, because the detail on the shoe is outstanding, and everything, like, you can tell the attention to detail, everything is done so, I feel like, carefully and really thought out. Like, I would say this shoe, the design of the shoe is very thought out. The stitching, everything, like the detail on the shoe is insane to me. And I think that is what makes it worth the price point. So sizing. These were gifted to me in a size 6. When I wear Adidas shoes, sneakers, I am a size US 8, women's 8. So I usually get a men's 6 if I'm purchasing men's shoes. So this is a size 6, which should be my exact perfect size. And these do fit me extremely well. Like, they're almost a little tight in the toe, but I don't think I could have gotten the 6.5 because I would think my foot would slip out. I feel like it's supposed to have that snug fit, where it's tight around your ankles, and that's the fit it gives me. I'll put a picture of me wearing them, and I think that that's the way the shoe is intended to be fitted on your foot. I do see some people wearing it, and this is very loose around their ankle, and almost like you can tell even the shoe, the way the shoe is, you can almost, not that you can see your foot, but you can see where your foot is within the shoe. And people who have this shoe a size or a half size bigger, it's noticeable. So I think the 6 is still the good choice for me. You know, if I ever decide to buy another one, maybe I'll try a 6.5 and see. But I'm happy with the fact that this is a size, this fits me well. So I would recommend go true to size. Comfort level. So inside the shoe, they have the boost, so if you take out the insole, you can actually see the boost there. And what does that feel like? It feels like a little pillow in your shoe. And you can feel the boost from the bottom as well. And as you walk, you really do feel like you're just gliding. Kind of like that feeling of walking on fresh snow where everything is just so fluffy and soft. Yes, that is the feeling. So even the experience of wearing the shoes, I enjoy because of how well they, like I said, the thought that's put into these shoes, I feel like are unmatched. For sneakers, unmatched. I'm not going to say for designer shoes unmatched, but for sneakers, I feel like the thought that is put into the shoe. I mean, even like the rope laces, the little tab in the back is excellent. It gives something else to the shoe. It gives it additional look, and it's functional. It's just like a stunning sneaker overall, I do recommend these. I was not really hopping on the Yeezy bandwagon when they first started dropping the sneakers, but like I said, I saw those all black ones and I wanted them so bad, and then I saw these and I was like, okay, yes, I love them. So I think these are an excellent pair. Like I said, I think it's a very neutral look. I just keep showing the sneakers, like, guys, that's my thoughts. That's my overview of my Yeezys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out how to enter my giveaway if you're interested. I wish you all an amazing 2018. Let's get this started the right way and have a fantastic year. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications button so you can be notified when I upload a video. Until next time, guys.